After Elon Musk added Bitcoin to his bio, the price escalated by almost 20% on Friday. The virtual currency suddenly climbed at around 3:30 a.m., adding $5,000 in an hour to trade at $37,299. The sudden price is mainly because of the investors influenced by Elon Musk's tweet, and they started buying, and because of the high demand, the price rose dramatically. After the market cooled down a bit, it reflected its true value, which is now stable at $20,667.22. The huge fluctuation is bound to happen when the demand rose abruptly and suddenly, and the CEO of Binance also gave a positive sign which added fuel to the fire. Elon Musk also sent out a cryptic tweet, saying, "In retrospect, it was inevitable." It adds to the wild volatility in markets this week, as the stock prices of heavily shorted companies like GameStop and AMC surged dramatically thanks to a rush of amateur investors inspired by the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets. As it was bound to happen, the influence he holds over the amateur investors. We all know the crazy things he always does, like in 2021 when he invested $1.4 billion in Bitcoin, and even then the price of the Bitcoin rose dramatically. Even Dogecoin was up 13% in the last 24 hours at one point. Bitcoin's price action had been relatively muted ahead of Friday. The world's most valuable cryptocurrency hit an all-time high of $46,410.14 earlier in March before sinking sharply a week later. This surge came as a hint that maybe he will adopt Bitcoin in his balance sheet. The billionaire made headlines after a Twitter exchange with Michael Saylor, the CEO of software company MicroStrategy, last month, which came after a tweet suggesting that he was tempted to buy Bitcoin along with Jack Dorsey's fintech firm Square. MicroStrategy used its own balance sheet to buy Bitcoin last year. If you wanted to do your shareholders a $100 million favor, convert the $TSLA balance sheet from USD to #BTC, MicroStrategy boss Michael Saylor said at the time. In response, Musk said, "Are such large transactions even possible? There were some clever investors who already knew that there will be a price surge, and when the price actually rose they sold it. As a result, the amateur investors incurred losses as the price declined soon. Sometime this type of hype can actually distort the real value, and the investors must be aware of that, or otherwise they had to bear the loss, which is bound to happen." Binance, a global cryptocurrency exchange, will invest $500 million in Twitter alongside Elon Musk. The amended 13D, filed to the Securities and Exchange Commission, revealed a $500 million commitment from Binance. Along with Binance, other companies, such as venture capital firm Sequoia, have pledged $800 million, while Fidelity and A16Z have offered $316 million and $400 million, respectively, thus putting their trust in Musk. After this announcement, the CEO of Binance tweeted Crypto Twitter. Gucci will begin accepting cryptocurrency in some of its locations across the United States this month. They also have plans to roll out the program to other North American stores this summer, according to various media reports. According to a report by Vogue Business, in-store payments will be made using a QR code that customers can scan with their crypto wallet, sent by Gucci via email. The stores will accept various digital currencies including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. Musk moves the price of the Bitcoin, and in the last year on June 3, he tweeted a meme about breaking up with Bitcoin, and the price of Bitcoin declined 5%. The meme is literally hilarious, and the price declined because of the amateur investors who move with trend. Most recently, Musk tweeted that Tesla would again accept Bitcoin once miners move to reasonable clean energy usage. This tweet brought the cryptocurrency's price up 8%. Then Elon Musk was criticized, but he tweeted again and proved his point about why he has refused to accept Bitcoin. The graph shows how he moved the market: first that Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin. After that Tesla is selling Bitcoin. Then saying Tesla hasn't sold Bitcoin and Bitcoin breakup. Finally saying that Tesla will accept Bitcoin again. It certainly doesn't look fair to hold this much influence. As he is the richest person in the world, certainly anything is possible. If you liked this video, then press the like button and subscribe.